Okay, now we're on for dessert. Okay, so we have gone for a classic tiramisu, except it's not that classic because we have pimped it to the max and we've got some good stuff going on here. So, here is the tiramisu. It's made with a proper sabayon, so eggs and sugar and cream and mascarpone in that cream. Then a homemade sponge, so we haven't bought those naff sponge fingers, we've made our own sponge. We've made a snap with the masala. We have got some extra chocolate and a coffee syrup liqueur. First things first. I guess you'll have a spatula or something at home you can use, but I'm just going to use this. Now, back in the day when I worked at Pizza Express, we used to make tiramisu almost every day, and it was nothing on this tiramisu. Chocolate. I'm going to go chocolate first. Just the extra naughty boozy coffee. And then, it's a little treat and a bit of extra snap. So I'll stay on there.